Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about ways to make money and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're going to share with you a fast method to make money online in 2023. With the rise of technology and the internet, there are more opportunities than ever to make money online. And we're going to show you how to take advantage of these opportunities and start earning money fast. Step 1: Find a profitable niche. In order to make money online, you need to find a niche that is profitable and has a high demand. This could be anything from fashion and beauty to health and fitness. Step 2: Build your online presence. Once you've found your niche, you need to build your online presence. This means creating a website or blog, setting up social media accounts, and creating content that is valuable and engaging. Step 3: Monetize your online presence. There are many ways to monetize your online presence, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own products or services. Step 4: Scale your business. Once you've started earning money, it's important to scale your business and increase your income. This could mean hiring employees, outsourcing tasks, or launching new products or services. And finally, Step 5: Stay up to date with trends and technology. The online world is constantly changing, and it's important to stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills, adopting new technologies, and staying up to date with the latest trends. But remember, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful online business. You need to be patient and persistent, and always be willing to learn and adapt. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of scams and illegitimate ways to make money online. Do your research and only invest time and money in reputable and trustworthy opportunities. Lastly, don't forget to have fun and enjoy the process. Building an online business can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, so make sure to take breaks, celebrate your accomplishments, and stay motivated. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money and achieve financial freedom. We'll see you in the next video.